Hello, doers. Welcome back. My name is Jose Ignacio. Today, we're going to check out the best part of our Referrals app, rewards. Employee referrals are one of the most effective ways to bring in top talent. So why not make it fun? When we refer great candidates and they get hired, we earn points that can be redeemed for super cool merch. Everybody loves a present, and this not only rewards employees for contributing to the company growth, but also strengthens engagement and motivation. So follow me as we check out rewards, how to create them, and how to cash in on them, all inside of our referrals app. So enough chit chat, let's go. So here I am on the main referrals app dashboard. I can see how many points I've earned from successful referrals up here where I see the total, and how many points I can actually spend over here with to spend. Wow, I think I can probably get something cool with these points. So I'm gonna go take a look at the rewards by selecting it in the bottom right corner. So it looks like I can actually purchase, in my case, well, it looks like I could get these cool looking paint markers over there because these buy buttons happen to be appearing on them. So I think I can't afford the $50 gift card because I'm pretty poor and it tells me that I need 389 points. Now, between you and me and the wall, I already have this shark mug, so I love it, but I don't need two of them. So instead, we're going to go for this paint marker set. So we're going to select buy. And then once again, it's going to confirm something for us. So redeem it. We're going to select OK on our confirmation. And I really want this reward, so there we have it. Now a message has been sent to the person responsible for giving me this reward, and I hope they get it to me before the weekend because my design is already sketched in my brain and I want to get to work. Okay, so that was me buying stuff, but one of the best parts of our referral program is that we can tailor rewards based on employee feedback. After our last company meeting, we actually asked our employees for suggestions on what kind of rewards they wanted to see. And there was one popular one that for whatever reason stood out. It's a camping stove. Okay, so it turns out a lot of our employees love to go camping. I guess that'll happen when you work close to a national park. So let's add it to our rewards catalog. So I could actually add it by selecting new over here, but I'm going to show you another way. We're going to select configuration and then rewards. Okay, so here I can see all the currently configured rewards right there, along with the points that are needed for them. And this activities column over here shows me if there are any activities that need to be done for any of these rewards. I can actually see that I requested, in my case, the paint marker sets. So I can view the details for the activity by clicking on the check mark if I would like to as well. So Abigail Peterson, I was going to say Pearson, small doopsie, is responsible for giving Mitchell the paint markers. And in my case, I could see that she has an activity scheduled for that as well. Good. Let's make sure that we get them. Now let's actually add the stove. So we're going to select new in the top left corner. Okay. I'm going to add the product name, which in this case is going to be Rad Camping Stove. If I can spell. Okay, and then we need to put in the cost. I'm going to make this one harder to get. Once again, we're going to select Abigail Peterson. She's pretty good about this. And then she's also the recruitment manager, so it makes sense for her to handle this since she's dealing with the hiring process already. Up next, we're going to add a photo. It's going to select it right there. It's a nice green one. It's a handsome stove. And I'm going to enter a short description. Perfect. All right. That looks great. So now we're going to manually save it. Perfect. Let's actually go see how it looks like from our dashboard. So let's go back over to our dashboard. Rewards. There's our camping stove. Darn, I don't have enough to get this reward yet, but I will soon. I sent out a few more referral links for jobs that are perfect for some of my friends. For more info on that, check out my shared job positions tutorial. And that's all for today, folks. We already learned everything that was needed to for this on how to view and redeem rewards, as well as how to make new ones. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep referring. I'm still eating suspicious trick-or-treat Kit Kats.